The Bank of Uganda Governor Mike Atingego is reminding the country that Uganda cannot afford to be blinded by the early excitement of the oil revenues. He says this is a challenge to look beyond the immediate gains of extraction and commit to a future where oil becomes a catalyst for inclusive, sustainable and diversified growth. Atingego warns that natural resources are only as valuable as the governance and oversight behind them, urging Uganda to invest this finite wealth in strong institutions, productive sectors, and long-term national prosperity.
History teaches us that natural resource wealth is neither a blessing nor a curse by default. Serious economists like Paul Collier, Joseph Stiglitz have emphasized that the real test is not in extracting resources, but converting them into productive assets. The $11 billion already invested in Uganda's petroleum sector is not just capital. It is the foundation for roads, industrial parks, logistical hubs that are going to serve our economy long after the oil has gone.
With regulations tightening, investments accelerating and Ugandan expertise rising to the front line, the country's oil and gas journey has entered a decisive phase. At this 6th National Content Conference, the focus shifts from anticipation to action, how local talent and homegrown enterprises will anchor fast oil and drive long-term value for the economy.
This period for preparation for production is extremely important in national content because it is in this period that the heavy investments are made. As you may have heard in the past, over 15 billion United States dollars is being invested in this period before production starts. When production starts, that level of investment will go down.
Our production capacity, once operational, is expected to reach 230,000 barrels per day, positioning Uganda among Africa's significant mid-tier oil producers. But beyond these numbers lies a deeper question. How do we ensure that this resource becomes a catalyst for national prosperity, not just today, but for generations to come?
As Uganda moves towards fast oil, the message is clear. Lasting value will depend on how the country turns today's progress into tomorrow's opportunities. Betty Ndagire, NTV Business.